if you're a coach or you do online trainings and you are looking for a laptop screen recording app that you can use to start recording tutorials with your laptop, then pay close attention to this video, because I'm going to be revealing to you 7 laptop recording softwares that you can use to record your programs, your courses, and even make YouTube tutorials. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you both the ones that will allow you to record your laptop screen and also record your face at the same time. Okay, you know, before now people always have their laptop camera for recording their laptop screen, while they have to keep another external camera for recording their face. But with some of the tools, with some of the softwares I'm going to be showing you on this video right now, you can record your laptop screen and also your face at the same time. Okay, you can just check through some of my videos on YouTube. You'll see some of my videos where I have my face showing below it. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be listing for you, some of the apps that you can, some of the softwares that you can use to achieve that. Okay, on these 7 apps and softwares I'm going to be listing for you right now, I use 2, and these 2 that I use, in fact I even have the lifetime access, the premium lifetime access of one of them. I bought it with my money in 2020. Okay, and that's because I love it. It's serving me very well, especially in fact, it was serving me more the time I used to be very shy of showing my face. All right, that particular one doesn't actually, you know, show your face. You can just record your laptop screen. As at 2020, I was so shy of showing my face on camera because I was camera shy. But now, I shouldn't say I'm now a pro, but at least I'm advancing. Okay, yeah. So that is it. The first one we have on our list is OBS Studio. Okay, so OBS project actually helps you to record your laptop screen. Okay, it helps you to record your laptop screen, and it is free. Okay, it has the premium version and also has the free version, and the free version can help you to record as much as you want with no watermark. Okay, so you can explore that. We also have the second one on my list is Camtasia Studio. I believe you already know Camtasia Studio. You can use it to record. You can also use it as a video editor. They have the video editor, a very quality and pro video editor called Camtasia. All right, so you can use it to record and also you can use it to edit your videos. It's a pro video editor. All right, so then we'll have for the third one, we'll have FreeCam. FreeCam is a laptop screen recorder that helps you record just your laptop screen. It doesn't record the face. Okay, if I get to the ones that record face, I'm going to let you know. All right, and don't forget, I said I'm also going to let you guys know the ones I use and why I love them so much. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Cynthia, and on this channel I talk about cryptocurrency, make money online, marketing, and lots more. Okay, so if this is your first time coming across my video, you're highly welcomed. My name is Cynthia. Like I said before, I would want to connect with you. So just do me a favor by letting me know that this is your first time on this channel, and also help me subscribe to this channel so that we can grow together. All right. So the fourth one we have on our list is Loom. Loom is a video recording software. It's more like a website. It helps you to record your laptop screen and also records your face. All right, records your laptop screen and records your face at the same time. Okay, why I don't really like to use Loom is because if you are using the free version, you are only limited to, I think, 8 minutes video. Okay, yes, only 8 minutes video. You cannot exceed 8 minutes if you are using the free version. I don't want somebody dictating for me how many minutes video I need to record. All right, so that is it. And the next one I have on my list is the next one I have on my list is Zoom. Yes, the normal Zoom, you know, that is used for video meetings, can also be used for laptop screen recording. You can use it to record and you can also even host it there. All right, that one is a topic for another day. You can use your Zoom your Zoom software on your laptop to record your laptop screen, and it works perfectly well. I also use this one sometimes, not always, all the time. Okay, then like I said before, I'm going to be telling you guys the ones I use and why I love them and why I use them. Okay, so the one I use more now that I prefer to show my face is Active Presenter. Okay, Active Presenter actually has the one that you can record your laptop screen and also show your face at the same time, and it also has the one that you just record only your laptop screen. Okay, so now the reason why I love Active Presenter is because of that face that it shows, and plus it doesn't limit me to the number of the minutes I need to record because I'm using the free version. I use the free version of Active Presenter. It works very well. In fact, there is also no watermark unless you want to now use the app to make some edits. Yes, the Active Presenter app also has the editing section of it. Okay, but if you just want to record your video, what I do is I record my videos with Active Presenter and I take the videos to another software, video editing software, for my editing. Okay, so that is it. What I use for my video editing is MVideo Editor. Okay, so the last one, which is the 7th one that I use, which is the one I said I was using. In fact, I paid for the premium version when I started using it because I so much loved the app. Okay, so that one is Fasttone Capture. Okay, Fasttone Capture helps you to record just your laptop screen without showing your face. So if you used to be like me in 2020, all right, you don't like to show your face, and you don't just want people to know what you are wearing as you are making your video, Fasttone Capture is that app that will give you everything, everything that you want in a recording app. The audio is good, all right, the screen, the quality of the video that you record is also going to come out very, very nice. Okay, so I didn't want to do this before, but I think I should do it. All right, so I said, let me tell you guys about this software that I use to cancel noise in my videos. Okay, this software, I use it before I got my mic that I use. Okay, so what this software does for me is that if I'm recording video where there is noise, or even if my laptop has noise, it can help me cancel it. Okay, so this app is called Crips noise cancellation app. It gives you 60 minutes every day. All right, I think they have free trial for like other than 1 month. I think it's 1 month. Then after the free trial, they will give you 60 minutes every day. So what I do is, when I'm recording my videos, I try as much as possible to turn it on when I'm starting to record and also turn it off when I'm done recording, so that I can save my minutes for each day. Okay, so that is it. If your laptop has this noise that comes out from it when you are recording your videos, then you can consider using Crips recorder. Crips noise cancellation app to cancel noise from your videos. Okay, so that is it. You have to use it when you are recording, not after you are done recording. All right, so I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section, and if there's anything you want me to talk about on this channel, also let me know. Don't forget, my name is Cynthia, and that is my name across all social media handles. I'm more active on Facebook, so you can look me up on Facebook and follow me. Let's connect and be friends. Okay, so I believe you got value from this video, and if you did, you already know what you have to do for me. Just like this video so that more people get to see it and also learn from it. All right, you can as well share it with your friends who are looking for a laptop screen recording app that they can use to record their systems tutorials. Okay, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.